In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to actually hide your recent files. I actually hide, as you can see, I can't see all my recent activities files. Okay, basically it's actually in the folders options over here. You can click on, for you guys, you won't be able to see this if you have not hide it. You need to click on these three dots, see more, options, which is the folder options. And then under the privacy option, untick this show recently used files, and untick this also show frequently used folders, things like that. So anything that's ticked over here, just untick. Okay. Show recommended sections. Normally it's this lah. Just untick this, or you can just clear the file explorer history. It will clear everything. Okay. And take this, and then you will not be able to see your recent activities, which I am doing now. Okay, so basically that. And if you want to have it back, you can just click back and then take this to have it back. Yeah, that's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.